Hey crafters, it's your girl again with another video. Today's video is going to be like a video that is going to help you, give you an idea on what kind of tutu to make and add to your store, your shop, or whatever, or your collection. So you guys already know I said I was going to be making a lot of videos to give you guys ideas on different kinds of tutu, because you can get overwhelmed on different kinds of tutu out there, or you can get um confused on what tutu to make. So in this video I will be showing you guys two different tutus. In my last video I had told you guys that you can use one tutu to make two looks, but in this video I'm gonna use one character to make two different colors. Does that make any sense? Let's get into this video because I'm so excited. So the tutus that I'm gonna be making, the tutu I'm gonna be making is Buzz Baby, and this one is the purple one over here, and here is the pink one. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna get it together in this video, so don't miss out because you're gonna see how it look. So let's get into this video. Alright crafters, so this is the tool I'm going to be using at Walmart. I got that from Walmart. So at Walmart they have like the grab and go 10 yards, so you can literally just grab it and go right, and for you to wait for somebody to be there to help you cut it and all of that. So you guys already know this process, so I'm not gonna talk too much on this. I'm just going to fast forward this, so like I'm gonna cut a cut out of this so that you guys don't keep on watching the same thing over and over again. So you guys already know it, and for those of you that don't know how to sew tutu, go watch my full video because I kind of explain, like I did a step by step, so as to help those of you that don't know how to make tutu. That will really help you out, so go watch out those videos. I will put a link in the description box. But this is but you can actually watch this and follow through it, and I believe that can also help you. But you want to watch a step by step because that is really beginners friendly, so just go ahead and check it out on my description box. So you guys already know, basically your girl is just having fun. You guys know basically all you need to do is to arrange your tool before you measure and cut. So all I'm doing is to make sure I arrange it so that the two ends are laying flat and they are on top of each other. So that's exactly what this process is, and this is your first step before you do anything else. And when I'm done, I am going to go ahead and cut it. So I am making a 2T tutu. So 2T tutu is going to be 16 inches long, and when folded is going to be 8 inches long. So just an FYI. So now I am on the second step, which is going to be creating a channel. So like I told you guys, when folded is going to be 8 inches long. So basically when you are done cutting it, you should fold the tool into two equal halves, and that will give you like 4 pieces in your hand, because when you buy tutu it's always folded into two. So you don't open it up, you just leave it the way it is. Do the folding, which is the first step that you guys just seen, and when you're done with that first step, you do the second step, which is going to be folding that into two, and that will give you whatever inches of tutu that you're sewing, which for mine is gonna be for 2T tutu. So in this video I will be doing like two tutus in one video. So this video is just going to help you, give you an idea on different tutus to make, and so as to fill up your store and give your customers more varieties. And this video is basically to give you ideas. So that's what I'm gonna be making all these videos for now, because you guys already know how to create a tutu or how to make a tutu. For those of you that don't know, again, just go on my go to the description box. You'll find a detailed video on how to sew a tutu. Hey guys, so I've been going back and forth with what ribbon to use for this. So I have this one here. My lighting is acting up. So guys, I have been going back and forth with what ribbon to use for this, and I have different types. I had to order and order and order, and I am looking for something. Oh, I already see. Oh, really? See that? And I was almost not taking this. For this reason, I'm done with this one. I'm not using this. Look at that. I don't even know what else I got in there that is destroyed. And this one came, you know what? Well, I was going back and forth between these three here, and this one would have been a perfect color for what I'm looking for, but it's not big enough. And this one would have been perfect, but it's not dark enough. This one is would have been perfect, but look at that now. But I was gonna, this wasn't my even reason. I just sent this one just right now with you guys, but this would have been perfect. It's kind of on the purple side, but I was really going back and forth. So now I am thinking I shouldn't even use this because this is gonna interrupt my flow. Let me see. I don't know. I'm just hoping I don't see something else in there. So now I have to cut this one, cut it out, unfortunately. So but anyways, this, like I said, this would have been so perfect, this one here, but dang, it is so, it's not big enough. Look at the size. This is 1.5, this is 2 inches, and I want 2 inches. So I don't want to put any other ribbon on top, but just one ribbon and call it good. But the fact that I do not have, the fact that this one is so little, it's not gonna come out as good as I want it to. So that's my, you know, what I've been going, what I've been, you know, I've been going back and forth. So guys, I just decided I'm gonna use this one because it only makes sense to use this one. I just cut out that part there, so I'm not sure what the heck happened to this. Maybe bleach got it. I don't know. I don't know if it's even a good idea because this is kind of concerning. I don't want the customer to end up using it and having this problem when they wash it. So but that's the only one that makes sense to me right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. Hopefully I don't have a problem in the future. So you guys already know, for this step I am doing pretty place facing up, and that's it. I'm not adding no other ribbon. That's the reason why I'm going this route. That's the reason why I'm sewing it this way. So I'm not gonna add no any other ribbon, just one ribbon. I see that happen a lot on Etsy stores, and they get a lot of customers still buying, so why not? Since ribbon is the most expensive thing with this business, so if you have a way to make it one ribbon, go for it, honey. Alright guys, you guys can see I'm almost done with this, and this went pretty fast because I'm just using just one ribbon. So I'm just gonna use my lighter. I just use my lighter actually to seal the ends. You have to use your lighter so that you do not the ribbon don't unravel. And I'm gonna start if I can speak, I'm gonna start with the next tutu, which is going to be the purple one. So just follow the same steps for this second one and nothing different from the first one. So just follow the step, and in this video I'm not gonna show you guys how to put the band because you guys already got it from all my videos. You guys always see that I always put band, and this is a 2T tutu, so I am going to be measuring 12 inches band for this tutu, and that will be for the waist for 2T. So when I'm done, I am just gonna sew the 2 loose ends, and boom, I will be done. And this video is going to be, and this tutu, sorry, is gonna be ready for the customer. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. And now you guys can see I'm done, and I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final look. So I will not again show you guys how to put the band, because that's something you guys have seen in most of my videos. For those of you that are new to my channel, hello, hi, welcome to my channel. If you are learning something from this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Turn on the notification bell if I can speak, for notifications, so you can know each time I post a video. And boom, and I will see you guys on the next slide. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna show you how the tutu turned out. You want to see that? Let's do it. Boom. You see that? I know you guys love this, because I got a lot of people that love this. And you guys see the design. Like I told you guys in the beginning in my intro, a lot of people love the way I design. Like they always tell me, send me messages. I'm like, I love your designs in your shop. I'm definitely shopping with you. My daughter's birthday is in blah 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 blah. I'm definitely shopping with you. So I'm like, oh, thank you. So if you guys want to see how I design all of this, let me know, because there are some techniques that I always use. I just like try to think out of the box and put things together. As you guys can see, this Buzz Baby image is supposed to be black, but I used like what they call that now. Oh, I can't remember off of my head, but I always use that, and I gave it a color. I can't remember the name. Oh Lord, I cannot remember, but I'll put it up here if I remember. And I made the color pink to go with the theme, so that I don't lose the baby's hair and her outfit. So it's called offsets. Whew, on Cricut. If you guys are using Cricut software, guys, I love the offset function. I use it for a lot of stuff. I use it to make image to stand out. So if you guys want me to show you how I make all this shirt, let me know. I will, like, not just making the shirt, but designing the shirt, like designing all of this before I place it on the shirt. Because what I usually do for you guys, I just like print out the designs and show it to you guys. So let me show you guys closely. So this is an SVG file, and if you guys don't know what an SVG file, when I make the video, you guys let me know. I can explain what an SVG file is, and PNG file, and JPEG and all of that. But if you guys want a separate video on all those files, because it can be confusing, let me know. I can provide that video for you guys. So but anyways, so for the purple, I'm gonna put a picture up here, and this is how the purple came out. People love it. That's my husband's actually favorite, and but it is out of stock. Like, you know, I can still provide it, but I don't have it on hand anymore, because it's sold out and I shipped it out already. This one I'm about to ship it out, and I told myself I gotta make this video before I ship it out. So that one is out. Like, it's already out of there. It's not in this office anymore. It's already sold. So but I'm gonna be making as I go. Like when I get another order, I make it. I do not just make and keep them, except when I get an order. But I take that back. Sometimes when it's a new design, I do make them and keep them in order to advertise them. Then when it's sold, I don't make a new one and just keep on hand. I just provide it. I just make another one for any customer that wants, and that's how I usually do mine. But other people, they make it as is. Some people make it and keep it, but you don't want to be sitting on an inventory. You want to make sure that, you know, you're not sitting on stuff. You want to sell them out. So two ways I do mine is either when you ask for it, I create it for you. Otherwise, if I have an idea, I create it and I customize everything and I post it, and boom, I sell it. It don't, like, I sell it like so fast, especially if it's pretty. It's like all the way gone. Can you guys see how pretty this is? So pretty. And you can see even one ribbon got it together. Just one ribbon. So you don't have to have a lot of ribbons for it to be pretty. I know ribbons usually bring out the beauty, but look at this. This is so pretty. This is so freaking pretty. And I love it so much. So you guys let me know what you think about this. If you like this, if this came out good, let me know in the comment section. Please let me know in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys. You guys have no idea. When I hear from you, I know I'm not talking to myself. I know I'm not. I know I'm talking to somebody behind the camera. So if you know I'm talking to you, you know you're listening to me, honey. Why don't you let me know in the comment section? Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. So I made the purple, you guys seen it in the video, and also this pink. So because I know girls, little girls love purple, like my daughter, she loves purple, and most and other kids love pink. I don't want to say most kids love pink, but you know, every kids have what they like. So I was thinking about making a yellow for this, you know, different colors, because it's summer. Summer is coming up very soon. So I'm thinking of making a yellow on this design as well. So it's like you can knock yourself out. You can use one character to make different looks. So with this here, I can make whatever color I want. So I can even give my customer options to make whatever color they want, because some kids don't go for the purple. Some girls, little girls, don't go for purple and pink. Some may like green, blue, you know, different colors out there. So you want to explore. So I may be trying another color. You guys let me know if I try another color. If you guys want to see how it look like, I can make a video on that. Or always check my shorts videos, because that's where I always post videos on any tutu that I make that I'm about to ship out. So check out my shorts videos. But anyways, guys, if this came out good, give me thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. And do not forget to subscribe, honey, because I know you know that you love this content. So go ahead and subscribe, because I realize a lot of people are watching my videos, but they're not subscribing. And some of you are watching my videos. A lot of people are watching my videos and they are not like giving me thumbs up. Please stop whatever you're doing right now. I'm just kidding. Go ahead and hit the give me thumbs up, so that I know you love this. I know this came out good. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me, and I always like to hang with you guys. As always, stay positive. Let's work hard and make it happen. Bye bye.